If you give me less than 10 minutes, I'll show you a simple online business that you can start and be successful almost immediately. I'll show you the 4 steps that you need to follow for you to start a business that is going to be profitable in 2026 or whenever you watch this video. So when we talk about online businesses, people think that you need to invent something new, you need to have a lot of capital, and you need to be a magician or a scientist of some sort for you to actually start a business online. But in reality, that is not how it works. And you need just 4 steps. And I'm going to help you outline that 4 steps. And you can basically launch your business after watching this video. My name is Good Noel, and if this video helps you, please like the video and subscribe to the YouTube channel. Now, what is the first thing you need to do for you to start a business? Number one, you need to find one problem that you understand. All right. So what do you know? What do you like? What are you interested in? So you need to find one problem that you understand. This problem is not for you. So you need to find one problem that you understand. For instance, what do you know how to do? It can be anything. It can be singing, it can be dancing, it can be writing, it can be cooking, it can be teaching, it can be online skills like graphics design, like sales funnel, like advertising, like anything that you know. All right, now we have a problem that you know. Then you need to find a small solution. You need to find a small solution that people can pay for. So for instance, in my case, I can say, what problem do I know? I know how to run Facebook ads. I know how to build sales funnels. I am a digital marketer. So I know that people have this problem. So what small problem can they pay for? For instance, in my case, people would readily pay for Facebook ad setup, Instagram ad setup. So I now know that I have a problem that I know how to solve, and I've found a small solution that will solve this problem for people. Then I need to create a small page. A small page can be basically anything. It can be a profile on Facebook, it can be a profile on Instagram, it can be a sales page, it can be a landing page, just a simple page. Because of the nature of what I know and my business, I am going to do a landing page. So my landing page is simply going to contain a small offer or a small solution. So this should be solution. A small solution that people are willing to pay for. The problem here, let's say, is Facebook ads. All right. A small solution that people are ready to pay for. In this case, let's say ad setup. I want to do ad setup for small businesses, right? So I create a landing page or a sales page where I write about what I am going to offer them. In this case, simple ad setup for their business. This is what they want, all right? So this is a step 3, a simple way that I will communicate what I know to them. And then the last but not the least is a traffic source. Where do I find these people? So these people, they are everywhere. They are on Instagram. They are on YouTube like you, watching videos. They are on LinkedIn talking about their problems. They are on Facebook. They are on Twitter. So all I have to do is to bring them to this landing page. In my case, because I already know how to do this, I would also use paid advertising, Facebook ads, to get these people. So these are simply the 4 steps that you need to do to start an online business. So in your case, you can decide to do something a bit easier. It can be an ebook, and in my next video, I'll be talking about how to create ebooks, even if you do not know a lot about creating ebooks. So if you want to watch that video, make sure to subscribe to the channel. So let's say you want to create a simple one-page ebook about how to prevent acne All right, prevent acne. This is your simple solution that people want to pay for. Now you create a simple page. I already have a video that teaches you how to create simple pages. If you cannot find it, you ask me, I'll give you the link. So you want to create this, and then you want to put it in front of the people who need this. How do you find them? Again, they are in WhatsApp groups, they are on Facebook, they are on Instagram, they are on search engines, they are on forums, they are basically everywhere. You just need to find and pick one platform that you focus on and you market there. And if you can do this for just 1 month, you would have an online business that would be at least giving you direction of profit. I hope this video was helpful. This is the first time I'm making this style of video, and just tell me what you think in the comment section. My name is Good Noel. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.